Hello students, in this video, today we are going to learn Unit 4 Life Mathematics topic Compound Variation Example Sums. Hello students, today we are going to learn Unit 4 Life Mathematics topic Compound Variation. There are two types of compound variation, one direct variation, another one indirect variation. Direct variation, otherwise called direct proportion. First one, distance time. Distance increases, then the time taken also increases. Example, while we are traveling in the car, when the distance increases, then the time will also increase. Second one, purchase spending. Purchase and utilities things increases, then spending amount also increases. Third one, work time earning. Number of hours worked is less, then payment, the pay earned will also be less. So number of hours worked is more, then the payment earned will also more. Formula, y equal to kx. K is the constant, so multiply kx, opposite go to divide. So k equal to y by x. This is a direct proportion condition. Next topic, inverse proportion. First one, workers' time. If more workers are employed to complete a work, then the time taken to complete the work will be less. So number of person வந்து increase, the time taken will be less. The same time, number of person decrease, the time taken will be increased. Second one, speed time. If we travel with less speed, then the time taken to cover a given distance will be more. So less speed, more time taken. First one, example sum. Direct variation. If a company pay rupees 6 lakhs for 15 workers for 20 days, how much could it need to pay for 5 workers for 12 days? Formula method. Formula method the sum solve பண்ணலாம். We take number of workers, number of days and number of payment. First we take number of workers. Person 1 equal to 15 workers. Person 2, 5 workers. Days. Day 1, D1 equal to 20 days. Day 2, D2 equal to 12 days. Payment. Payment வந்து W1, W2 write பண்ணிருக்கோம். So W1 equal to 6 lakh. W2 வந்து நம்ம find out பண்ணுறோம். அதான் how much could it need to pay using formula method. P1 into D1 divided by W1 equal to P2 into D2 divided by W2. Substitute the value P1. P1 வந்து 15, D1 20, W1 6 lakh. P2 5, D2 12, W2 தான் நம்ம find out பண்ண போறோம். So cross multiple W2 into 15 into 20, 6 into 5 into 12. So நம்ம find out பண்றது W2. So அது மட்டும் one side வச்சிருக்கோம். Remaining 15, 20 multiple இருக்கிறது opposite go to divide. So 5 into 12 into 6 divide 15 into 20. 5 table 5 one time, 15 3 time. 3 table 3 one time, 6 2 time. Now write the value 12 into 2 by 20. 2 table 6 times 12, 20 10 times. Multiple the value 6 2s are 12 by 10. Denominator 1 0 இருக்கனால 1 number before a dot வச்சுக்கிறோம். So your answer is 1.2. Now rupees 1.2 lakhs. How much could need to pay for 5 workers for 12 days? Rupees 1.2 lakh This is your answer. Example 2. Direct inverse variation. Listen the question. The mat of length 180 meter is made by 15 women in 12 days. How long will it take for 32 women to make a mat of length 512 meter? This method is multiplicative factor method. We take length, woman, days. That means mat of length, number of women and number of days. Mat of length 180 meter, number of person 15, number of days 12. Mat of length 512 meter, number of person 32, x days. First we take length and days. Step 1. Length, days. Length, mat oda length 180 and 512. So mat oda length increase ஆகும்போது days also increase. So number of mat of length வந்து increase ஆகும்போது time will be taken more. So more length, more days. This is a direct variation. So x equal to the direct variation போது the 180 by 512 ஒரு fraction assume பண்ணிக்கலாம். So direct variation போது நம்ம இதை reciprocal write பண்றோம். So you write 512 by 180 into 12. Step 2. Woman, days. We take number of women, number of days. 15 women and 32 women. So number of person increase. Number of person increase ஆகும்போது அந்த ஒர்க்கை நம்ம ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ number of person increase, number of days is decrease. So more women, less days. So this is a inverse variation. So inverse variation போது the fraction 15 by 32 fraction நம்ம டைரக்டாக அப்படியே ரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 15 by 32 into 12. Step 3. First one, step 1 512 by 180. Step 2 15 by 32 into 12. Now listen, 15 table 15 one time, 180. 115s are 15, balance 3, 0 இருக்கனால 30, 2 times 30. So 12 times. Now 12 cancel ஆயிடும். Write the value 512 by 32. So இப்போ அதை divide பண்ணலாம். See the rough work. 512 by 32. 1 time 32. So subtraction பண்ணினா we get answer 19. So next number 2, 192. 32 table 192 6 times. So now your answer is x equal to 16. So this is your answer. So how long will... Next example, inverse direct variation. Listen the question. If 81 students can do a painting on a wall of length 448 meter in 56 days, then how many students can do the painting on a similar type of wall of length 160 meter in 27 days? This is a formula method. We take number of person, number of days, number of work done. So number of person வந்து நம்ம students write பண்ணிக்கலாம். So 81 students ன்றது P1. How many students find out பண்றது P2. Days, number of days 56. D1. D2 27 days. W1 wall of length 448 meter. W2 160 meter. Use formula method. P1 into D1 divided by W1 equal to P2 into D2 divide W2. Substitute the value. P1 வந்து 81, D1 56 divide W1 வந்து 448 equal to P2 x, D2 27, W2 வந்து 160. Cross multiple பண்றோம். So 81 into 56 into 160. 448 into x into 27. இப்போ எக்ஸ் மட்டும் ஒன் சைடு வச்சுட்டு இந்த 27 ஆப்போசிட் சைடு கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். இப்போ கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். 27 டேபிளில் 27 ஒன் டைம், 81 வந்து 3 டைம்ஸ். 27 3s are 81. 56 டேபிளில் 56 ஒன் டைம், 448 8 times. So 56 into 8, 448. Now write the value 3 into 160 by 8. 8 table 8 one time, 16 2 times. So 20. 3 into 20, 60. X equal to 60 students. How many students can do the painting on a similar type of wall length 160 meter in 27 days? Answer, X equal to 60 students.